Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can keep your photos and your folders and your videos safe on Google Photos. So let's get right into it. Now, to hide these from your standard photo reel, you'll need to use the locked folder option, and you're able to use this on PC and on Android 6 and above and iOS 15 and above. Once you have everything that you need, you can go to set everything up by going into the app on the mobile devices, going into library, going into utilities, into the locked folder, and then you can tap set up locked folder. At this time, you can choose to turn on backup. However, that is not mandatory. And then you just need to follow the on-screen instructions to set everything up. And once you have, you'll find nothing here yet on the screen if the folder is empty, and you can start moving the photos which you want into that folder. Now, keep in mind, to access this, you will need your passcode to your device. So if you have a screen unlock using your face, your fingerprint, a pattern, or a code, this is what you'll be using to access this folder, both on Android and iOS. Now, on the computer, it is a bit simpler. You just need to go into the app or on the website on your web browser and click on the locked folder in the sidebar, which should be to your left. Then set everything up, follow the instructions, and you should be set, and you'll be able to transfer your photos there. Now, the password you'll be using to access this is your Google account password. You cannot use anything else, and that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.